Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellen John YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to go to add yours 2022 add highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So it's better to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. Once you are here, you just have to tap until you find a desired sticker, just like this. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So from this page, you have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with your brother or sister. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo. You can now place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then share this story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram page on Ali John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to a YouTube tutorial which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.